Tired of seeing those unfair, nasty reviews tanking your Google Maps rating and wondering if partnering with Google is the magic solution to make them disappear? Let's cut to the chase. The short, disappointing answer is no. You can't directly partner with Google to remove negative reviews simply because you don't like them. Google aims to provide unbiased and authentic information, so they don't offer preferential treatment for review removal based on partnerships. However, Google does have strict policies against fake, spammy, or inappropriate reviews. Familiarize yourself with these policies. You can find them easily on Google support pages. Search for Google Maps review guidelines. If a review violates these policies, let's say is factually incorrect, contains offensive language, or is clearly from a competitor, you can and should report it. Click the 3 dots next to the review. Then select Flag as inappropriate. Next, provide a detailed explanation of why the review violates Google's policy. Be specific, don't just say, "So lie." Explain what is untrue and why it violates Google's guidelines. You can manage and track reported reviews within your Google Business Profile dashboard. After reporting, patience is key. Google will investigate, and this can take a few days or even weeks. Check back regularly for updates. If you don't hear back after a reasonable amount of time, you can try contacting Google support directly again. Be prepared to clearly articulate the policy violation. Ultimately, the best defense against negative reviews is a strong offense. Focus on providing excellent customer service and encouraging positive reviews from satisfied customers. This will naturally push those unfair negative reviews further down the list.